They thought that Helium's EMA-10 showed a very falling trend and that HNT's intraday volume was 613,4484 shares. They also thought that $5.02 was a barrier for Helium in the middle term, which is different from what most people think. The maintenance floor for HNT is $4.27 as of July 20, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how much Helium costs now and how much it will cost a week from now. Also, we'll try to answer some of the most common questions people have about Helium. How much do you think Helium will cost in the next few months? Investing in HNT is a very good idea, especially when it comes to oxygen support and blockage levels. But before we talk too much about how HNT works, let's talk about the basics of the market. Bitcoin has 49.89% of the market share for new users, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This is a big reason why the price of Bitcoin went down by 0.29 to $30,584.92, and why the price of Ethereum went down by 0.24 to $18.82.48 in the last 24 hours. Contrary to what most people think, Coco's BCX went down to 60 cents after his team lost 0.77 points, not as much as most people think. Most of these things show, or so they thought, that the market is going down for now. The crypto market has seen a big drop as of right now. After a rot of 0.77, Coco's BCX went up to 60 cents. This is a level where people buy things, and big companies get even bigger. Strong and especially stop the price of the coin from going down in every way that really matters in a very big way in the opposite direction. Version kind of is a level at which merchants, by and large, move really unique and all around that truly matters keep the coin as cost from moving higher, displaying how comparably check particularly is a level at which traders essentially move particularly unique and fundamentally forestall the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they from a genuine perspective idea, continuing in each functional sense are the assistance and resistance levels of Helium HNT Helium execution, the inside and out that truly matters everyday blueprint of Helium kind of shows that the HNT cost particularly has a truly plunging improvement with a 0.34 decreasing and lovely past 24 hours in an unassuming manner. The worth of the Helium HNT coin really is staying at $3.05 with market capitalization $423,702,611 which unquestionably shows that XRP, the extremely nearby coin of XRP, really is up by 0.1 and at present trading at 47 pennies or so they by and large. Thought HNT cost changes 12.01 all through the week, while the trading volume essentially is drifting around 6,134,484 $, which generally is truly gigantic. Helium price analysis HNT price analysis for July 13, 2023, in a very normal time period is explained below. This shows that in the last 24 hours, the value of Ethereum has dropped by 0.24. to 1882.48, which is a big drop. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, tells us how things usually move. Union and uniqueness, MACD backing and resistance levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of simple moving kind of normal small and dramatic moving kind of normal EMA. 2. In all the ways that matter, break down the future of Helium by showing how Helium support and resistance are important technical signs used to find key price levels where a trend can change direction. Also show how Coco's BCX hit 60 cents after losing 0.77, which is very important, and how HNT's Williams %R pointer is at 69.632 FO. After a mix, the MACD law line is still below the sign line, which is a big deal. Helium investors should buy in bulk and wait for the market to change direction. A daily chart shows that the price of HNT moves by $12.01 over the course of a week, and that about 61.34 for $84 are traded every day. The RSI is trying to break out of the negative zone while trading at 36, which shows that the total trading volume is still at 31,315,168,849 shares. Helium has broken through all of its support levels in a big way, and the crypto market doesn't look good for the near future. It might be best to wait a while before getting too deep into the HNT spec. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of Crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last MA cross. This happened at the same point in the previous cycle as the price move today. This caused the area high for that year to be close to $14,000. The COVID-19 cross-market crash in March 2020 briefly broke the cross. Titan of Crypto calls this event a black swan. Imagine being bearish about Bitcoin above $28,600, said a trader. Another trend line to watch is the 20-month SMA, which looks at longer time frames. Mustache points out that this has happened before every Bitcoin bull market. When a monthly candle closes above the 20-month SMA, every candle that follows closes above it until the cycle high. Here, too, March 2020 is a short-term exception to the rule. Imagine being bearish while $BTC stays above the 20-day simple moving average, Mustache said. Once Bitcoin has closed above it, it has never fallen below it again until the cycle top. This is how it was from 2016 to 2018 and from 2019 to 2021. According to Cointelegraph, the 200-week simple moving average, SMA, and other daily and weekly trend lines have been acting as a line in the sand during Bitcoin's recent bear market. This article does not give any tips or suggestions about investments. Every investment and trading move has a risk.